Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Success Made Easy. I'm your host, Briere. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I post. So, today is a good video because, dun, 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 I got my welcome kit from Cash Building System Unlimited. That's right, you guys, I've joined Cash Building System Unlimited. It is a postcard opportunity that is a one-time $50 to join. This is a great opportunity for those of you that are looking for ways to make extra income from home. Anyone can do this. It is affordable. It is a one-time payment, and let's kick this off with a bang, you guys. So I'm going to show you what comes in the welcome kit. Okay, so this is a priority mail envelope you're going to get when you get your welcome kit. So I wanted to wait until I did this video here to open it, see what's inside. Wanted to share it with you guys, right? So let's see what I got here. I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm opening it. Be careful so I don't, tear up anything here. Got to be careful when you open this stuff, right? So what do we got here, guys? Dun, da, da, da. We got postcards. Postcards, you guys. We got more postcards. I told you it comes with 200 postcards. 200 postcards, guys. Another bundle of postcards here. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now what the postcards look like. Okay, show you. Here we go. 1 second, you guys. 1 second. Okay, so that's the postcard, Cash Money System Unlimited postcard. Your ID number will go here. Your stamp goes over here, and your lead label goes in the middle right here, okay? So, and this is the back of it, right? This is the back of the postcard. I hope you guys can see that. This is the back of the postcard, okay? And right here in the middle of the postcard on the front, it has a 24-hour recorded information line. You guys can call that number to get more information on the opportunity as well, okay? So, right here on the back, it says Cash Building System Unlimited, 8 levels, 2 pay positions per level, fast start bonus, spillover bonus, upgrade bonus, residual income, right? That is why I like it, because it has all these goodies here, right? So phase 1 is a one-time $50 is all it takes to get you on the road to financial freedom. For your $50, you will receive 200 postcards and 200 leads, Phase 2 upgrade form, and much more. For additional $50, $100 total, you can also receive 200 forever stamps. You will receive $25 for every personal sign up, right? When you want to earn bigger money, simply upgrade to Phase 2. Now, I'm going to read the rest of it. Phase 2. Phase 2, when you upgrade to Phase 2, you will be placed in position number 1. When someone signs up with your member ID, they will go to position number 1, and you will move to position number 2. Below is Phase 2 entry fees and conversions and commissions. So level 1 is entry fee. Phase 2 level 1 entry fee is one time $100. You will get $70 commissions every time someone joins you at Phase 2 level 1. Your sponsor will receive $20. If you joined under me, I'm your sponsor. I would receive the $20, and JD Markey would receive $10. This is if you joined, upgraded, you pay your $50, then you upgrade to Phase 2 level 1 for one time $100. That's the upgrade position. That's the higher commissions, right? You will receive $70 commissions on that. And it goes all the way down to 8 levels, okay? Level 2 is $500 one time. $300 you will get for every person that signs up under you with level 2, Phase 2 level 2, you will receive $350, okay? Your sponsor will receive $100, JD Marketing will receive $50, okay? Phase 2 level 3 is $1,000 one time. Your commission for that one will be $700. Your sponsor will receive $200, okay? And JD Marketing will receive $100, okay? For Phase 2 level 4, it's $1,500, $1,500 one time. For that level, you will receive $1,050 commission, $1,000 $1,000 and $1,050 commission. Okay, if for anyone that comes in and joins you on phase 2, level 4, your sponsor will receive $300. JD Marketing will receive $150. Okay. Phase 2, level 5 is $2,000 one time. Anytime someone joins you at phase 2, level 5, you will receive $1,400 commissions. And your sponsor will receive $400. JD Marketing receives $200. Okay. Just reading over the entry fees, phase 2 entry fees and the levels. So, phase 2, level 6 is $2,500 one time to join. You will receive, anytime you get a sign up, you will receive $1,750. Sponsor will receive $500. JD Marketing will receive $250. Phase 2, level 7 is $3,500 one time to join. This is if you guys want to receive the higher commissions. I'm only going over it because it's important to know this, right? So level 6 is $2,500 to join one time. Your commission for that, if you get signups, you will be $1,750. Your sponsor will receive $500, and JD Marketing will receive $250. Phase 2, level 7 is one time $3,500. If anyone joins you on phase 2, level 7, you will receive $2,450 commission. Your sponsor will receive $700, and JD Marketing will receive $350. JD Marketing is the owner of the company. Okay. Level 8, phase 2, level 8 is a one-time $5,000. If anyone joins you on that level, you will receive a $3,500 commission. Your sponsor will receive $1,000, and JD Marketing will receive $500. Now, there's 3 ways to join this opportunity, okay? The first way is Cash App. The second way is the website. The third way is mail. Is I can mail you a postcard, and you'll just fill out the back of it with your information. You'll put your name, first name, last name, the date you signed up, your address, city, state, zip code, and your phone number if you want it on the flyer, okay? But you have to understand, if you join by mail, it says when you join phase 1, your welcome packet will be a phase 2 upgrade form with information on your sponsor and the exact amount of money needed per level. To get started, fill in your information below and return this postcard with a $50 money order. Membership fee payable to Jade. The owner's information's on here. And if you have any questions, you can call this phone number right here. This card explains everything you need to know. And if you need extra information, you can contact him, or you can call this 800 number here with all the other information, right? So if you guys want to join through the mail, you can fill out, I can mail you a postcard, fill it out, and then send in your payment, your $50 money order, along with this postcard, to the information that's listed on the back of the postcard here. Okay? So the reason I went over that is because you guys need to know the levels and the higher commissions in this opportunity. You need to know that. Okay? But let's get back to the beginning. You come in for a one-time $50. You cannot skip. You have to come in at that level. You can upgrade to a higher paying commission level. Like if you wanted to come in and pay your one-time $50, and then later on, the next day you want to upgrade to level 1, phase 2, level 1, which is one-time $100, you get $70 commissions. You can do that, okay? But you can't skip. You can't come in at level 8, phase 2, level 8. You can't do that. You have to join in order, okay? Now you can pay for two of these levels at once, okay? So say you wanted to join phase 1 and phase 2, level 1. You would pay a total of $150, and with those two, you would get $25 for joining the phase 1, because you get it's one-time $50. You get $25 commissions, and then for phase 2, level 1, you would get a $70 commission every time someone joins you. You would be eligible to earn on both of those levels. Okay, so that's the postcard. Like I said, these are really nice postcards, and I'm happy. Finally got my postcards, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah. So now we're gonna show you what comes in this envelope here, right? Okay, I was so excited when I joined you guys. So look what we have here. We have, let me show you one second. There's some little goodies here that comes in your, so you get the 200 leads, which I'm not going to show you. This is the leads right here, you guys. I'm not going to show you. It has personal information on it. But, yeah. These are the leads right here. 200 leads, 200 postcards, right? Okay. And we got that. And this is just a little note from the owner welcoming me to the company right here. Okay, and this is my let me see. Okay, and this is my my flyer here, you guys. Got my flyers. Well, I can make copies of this, and you know. And if you guys were wondering, I'm going to explain this too as well. Spillover bonus. I'm gonna go over this right now so you guys know what a spillover bonus is. You get paid up to the level you are signed up for. Any money above that goes to your sponsor up to their level. This is spillover 50%. Okay, so basically, whatever level, like say you're at phase 2, level 2, right? You're only, if someone comes in and joins you and upgrades and goes past you, you're only going to earn up to the level 2. So if you're already joined, like right now, I'm phase 1, right? If someone comes in and joins phase 1 and phase 2, I won't. My sponsor will get the commission will possibly, because I'm not at level 2, phase 2, level 1, so that's going to go up to my sponsor because I'm not at that level. Whoever's at the level is who gets the commission. All right. So I'm gonna be upgrading soon. I'll let you guys know when I upgrade. I always let you guys know. Upgrade bonus. After initial upgrade, if one of your personal downline members upgrades to a higher level, you'll receive $200 per level. Okay? So how to get started, pick the level you wish to start, send all your information and payment to. Okay, so like I said, this is the flyer that I received. Really good looking flyer here. And yeah, so this is just a special offer that he has going on right now. Join phase 2, level 2, levels 2 to 7 within the next 15 days, and receive a 1 level free upgrade. Okay, so join level 2, get free upgrade to level 3 plus 200 cards and leads. Remember I told you guys, level 2 is one time $500. Okay, now it's a one-time $500 to upgrade to level 2 if you upgrade within 15 days. That's what this is, okay? And then we have telling you how much it is to order postcards, names, leads, basically, and things like that. If you guys join my team, I have resources for you on that as well. So, and these are just when you want to order your postcards right here, okay? Okay, so, yeah. These are all the goodies that came in it, you guys. All the goodies that came in it. So, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so happy I was able to bring this opportunity to you. Like I said, I know a lot of you are on the fence. I know a lot of you are skeptical about opportunities like this. But I'm here to let you know now that I've already done my research on this opportunity and it does work, okay? Now, like every time when I get a payment, I will bring it to you guys and I'll let you guys, I'll show you guys what I got, what I received. But don't make it all about the money, okay? Try to focus on the positive aspect of everything. Try to, just try to focus on your mailings. Focus on keeping up with your postcards, your leads, restocking on your envelopes, your stamps. Like you're gonna need forever stamps. You're gonna need that, and you're gonna need postcard stamps. Okay. In my opinion, I'm gonna be using both because when you mail out there's postcard envelopes you can use, and you stick a the postcards come. You can only use the postcard stamps when you're mailing out the postcards by itself. Okay. So you stick your stamp here. No, your stamp goes here. Sorry, your stamp goes here. Your ID number goes here, and your lead label goes here. Okay, lead labels goes there. All right. So when you're using postcard stamps only, and you're mailing out the postcards by themselves, you stick a postcard stamp right here. When you're mailing off in an envelope, you're gonna need a forever stamp to put on the envelope. Okay. Now I'm gonna order some envelopes that I'm gonna share with you guys once I get them. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I keep everything neat here. So I'm so excited that I finally got my welcome kit. Um, so if any of you guys are thinking about joining this opportunity, um, just go ahead and visit the website. It'll be in the description. And don't forget to enter my ID number, 4772. Put my name, Velvet Briere. All this information is going to be in the description. So if you guys need to go back and look on what to enter, you're going to need to enter my first and last name, which is going to be in the description below, and my ID number, which is going to be in the description below. The website link is going to be in the description below. So if you guys are interested in making some really decent income, $25 per person, you don't, and not just that, whatever your downline does, you get paid on that as well. Okay, like for instance, if you get a referral, you like say you sign up under me and you get someone to sign up under you, whenever they start getting something coming in, everybody wins. Everybody gets a cut of that. Like if they start bringing in people, everybody gets paid. Everybody wins. Okay, so like I said, this is a one-time opportunity of $50, one time only. You don't have to worry about monthly fees, hidden fees, none of that. If you guys want to join a lucrative, a reliable postcard opportunity, get with Cash Flow System Unlimited. It is just a really decent opportunity, and I highly recommend it. So if you're interested, take action today or whenever you feel comfortable. Come in where you feel comfortable. If you can only join the $50 level, go ahead. No rush. Do what you feel comfortable doing and do what you can. Do what your budget will allow. You guys do not have to come in and jump up to level 8. Okay? I recommend you just come in where you feel comfortable. Start it. Phase 1, pay your one-time $50, get your postcards, and just start mailing. And make sure you keep up on your postcards, restocking postcards, leads. Make sure you guys keep up on that. So, like I said, if you're interested in a business that will help you grow as a person, that will, just change your mindset on how you look at things, Cash Flow System Unlimited is where it's at. So pay your one-time $50 and get your postcard leads and let's get this ball rolling here. Let's get you guys to your financial freedom. That's my time, Velvet Briere. Success made easy. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And this is my welcome kit that I got from Cash Flow System Unlimited. Let's get that money, you guys. Let's help each other out. And if you're interested, click the link in the description. The website link will be below. Just look at it. If you just want to check it out to see what it's all about, go right ahead. And don't forget to enter. My information is below on the website. Enter my name, my ID, so JD knows who you're signing up under, and you'll be on your way to financial success. So take care, you guys. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.